Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Seema. So guys, in this video I will tell you how I learned English from ChatGPT. So guys, a few months ago I wanted to speak English and I knew some grammar, some vocabulary whenever I was not able to speak English, even a sentence, guys. So then that time I found ChatGPT. Then in starting I thought this application is for only for asking question. Then I used some time for asking question only. So slowly I knew more about ChatGPT. Then I started practice with ChatGPT, and when I ask any question, then ChatGPT gave me answer. Sometime I practice like when I say any sentence, then if there is any mistake, then ChatGPT correct that mistake. So if you want to learn English with ChatGPT, then you can make roadmap with ChatGPT. And if you want to English learn step by step, and you will ask ChatGPT that give me English topic step by step, and how can I learn English step by step. Then ChatGPT will give you all thing. So I think it is very helpful application for me. And now at this time I ChatGPT helped me a lot, guys. Like if I want to make resume, then ChatGPT help me. If I have any doubt, ChatGPT will clear my doubt. So I think it is very helpful. If you are also afraid of speaking English, and you have no any English partner, and you are thinking that I have no any partner, so how can I learn English and how can I speak English with, so then you can take help with ChatGPT. So guys, earlier when I was any question in my mind, so I used to ask in Google, but at this time most of the time I use only ChatGPT, because ChatGPT talk to us like any person, not like any application or something else. So that's why I like ChatGPT very much. So guys, if you enjoyed my video, so like, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.